Find features that differentiate it from other brands. 4. CAMMOO 10 inches, no flat tires, 600 pounds heavy-duty garden dump cart. And why you should buy choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. 10-inch no flat tires. With 10-inch no flat tires, our wheelbarrow runs smoothly on any surface without air or puncture worries. Dual steel bearings make rolling smoother and the wheels more durable. The deep tread grips grass, gravel, mud, sand, turf, snow, and cement for steady traction and easy hauling. Durable design. Our garden cart features a thickened steel frame with diagonal rods on the rear supports forming a stable triangle structure. The 100% Virgin Premium PP cart body is reinforced for lasting strength, and lock nuts keep every bolt secure. With a 600 pounds capacity, our wheelbarrow stays steady on uneven ground. Effortless dumping. Our yard cart is equipped with a front handle frame that allows the cart wagon to tilt up to 90 degrees for fast, effortless dumping. You can unload contents smoothly without heavy lifting, saving time and reducing strain during yard work. Easy maneuverability. Our garden cart on wheels is built to follow your every move with ease. The handle rotates 270 degrees side to side and 180 degrees up and down, giving you full control when turning or pulling over uneven ground. The EVA padded handle feels soft and steady, reducing strain during long use. Even when fully loaded, our dump cart moves smoothly and makes yard work easier from start to finish. Outdoor versatility. Our dump cart is your reliable helper for outdoor tasks. It carries firewood, tools, plants, mulch, or yard debris with ease. Its sturdy build handles tough jobs in the garden, lawn, or farm all year round. Whether for cleanups or daily chores, our cart keeps outdoor work simple, efficient, and less tiring. Bed construction. Designed for real jobs, the interior of this cart measures 25.60 inches, length, 16.92 inches, width, 8.27 inches, height. Its surface is built with structural ridges to enhance strength. However, the ridged design means items may not sit perfectly flat. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.